Good morning. In the previous video, we learnt about mouth, which is called as buccal cavity or oral cavity, its shape, its functions like eating, speaking, parts of the mouth like teeth, gum, tongue, salivary glands, etc. We also learnt about the teeth, importance of teeth, sets of teeth such as temporary teeth, permanent teeth. Temporary teeth have 20 teeth. Permanent teeth have 32 teeth. Temporary teeth are also called as milk teeth or primary teeth, which are replaced by the permanent set. Permanent set are having four kinds of teeth which are present in our mouth. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The teeth are having different functions. Shape of the tooth is related to its function. Let us learn today a healthy tooth, parts of a healthy tooth, structure of a healthy tooth, tooth decay, care of teeth, tips to prevent tooth decay. Parts of a tooth. A healthy tooth has three parts: crown, neck, root. The part of the tooth which is in above the gum is called as the crown. The part of the tooth which is inside the gum is called as the root. The part of the tooth which is in between the crown and the root is called neck. Structure of a tooth. Structure of a tooth contains mainly enamel, dentin, pulp, gum, nerves and blood vessels. It also contains crown, neck, root. Enamel. The white outer visible portion of the tooth is called enamel. It is the hardest part of the human body. The hardest part of the tooth which lies below the enamel is called dentin. Dentin is not very hard. Dentin is the main supporting structure of the tooth. The portion of the tooth which lies below the dentin is called pulp. It is very soft. It is full of nerves and blood vessels. Pulp forms the central part of the tooth. Nerves. What are nerves? Nerves are fiber-like structures which carry messages from organ to the brain and brings order from the brain to the organ. Blood vessels. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels are thin tubes through which blood flows. Care of teeth. Proper care of teeth is very important. Germs growth. When we eat food, the food particles will stuck in between the teeth. Germs will grow in these places and damage the hardest part of the tooth called enamel by forming a sticky yellow colored layer called plaque. Pain. When the germs reaches the nerves which are present in the pulp, it causes severe pain. Then it leads to tooth decay. Tooth decay leads to the formation of a hole or a cavity. When nerves are exposed to too hot or too cold substances, tooth decay also leads to bad breath and bleeding gum because the food collected in between the teeth start rotting by producing acids. It also causes indigestion because the food cannot be chewed properly. Cavities. Cavities are formed by eating starchy substances as well as too many sweets. Tips to prevent tooth decay. Brush the teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. Brush the teeth in both directions, upwards and downwards directions, to remove the food particles stuck in between the teeth. Brush top teeth downwards and bottom teeth upwards to remove the food particles. Brush out the back of the teeth. Brush the teeth, the flat surface of premolars and molars if food particles are left in between. Use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Rinse your mouth after every meal to remove the leftover food particles in between the teeth. Eat fibrous food. It is a type of exercise to the teeth and the gum. Eat healthy food. Take milk, curd, vegetables, green leafy vegetables to keep the teeth healthy and strong. Avoid eating too many sweets, chocolates. Avoid soft drinks. Visit the dentist regularly for checkup. Calcium. Calcium is very important for strong and healthy teeth. The sources of calcium are milk, vegetables, curd, cheese, etc. Milk and milk products. Milk and milk products such as milk, curd, buttermilk, cheese, butter are the source of calcium, which is good for health of the teeth. Eat fruits and salads, which keeps the teeth healthy and strong. In India, babul and neem plant have been used from ancient days to clean the teeth.